frames. Okay. Good evening, friends. Because abhi afternoon se hum log evening pe we've come. You cannot see outside, but we have seen the sun is setting in. So we have Raghuveer Soni, who comes from Chittorgarh. And आपका ये पहला show है Raghuveer?
This is my first show.
Okay.
Basically, I am from Chittorgarh and I am pursuing my MBBS second year from Jodhpur Medical College. So I've always dreamed of being an artist. I had the desires to explore in this field. With this lockdown, gave me an opportunity to actually explore it. And this is the first exhibition, and I've experienced such a great response, which has filled the enthusiasm to pursue for more of these artworks.
Okay. So you started in 2020?
Yeah, last year in August, I took it as a serious thing that I surely want to excel, and all the artworks that I've decided was a challenge for me. And with accompanying all those challenges, I've made a mindset to accomplish all those problems and to grow more. And this doesn't just go for this artwork too. This go for my studies work too. With my MBBS, I've experienced better understanding of the subject. I've made more challenges to myself. That's what it is.
Okay. So MBBS, when will you complete? Which year?
I am from 2019 batch, so it will take 5.5 years.
Okay, and then you're like residentship and everything.
Yeah, I'll pursue for.
So finally, when you will be the doctor?
Nah, I'll be doctor after 2.5 years. Officially.
Yeah, but I'll be in the hospitals, in the emergency wards with a white coat. वो बड़ा खतरनाक डॉक्टर होते हैं वो लोग. वो सबको they gives you some medicines and they say अम्मा जी ठीक है आप इनको ले जाइए.
After 4.5 years we have our internship. All the 19 subjects we have our postings in all the 19 of this department.
Right. So what are you planning? In which field are you getting into? Medicine or what?
My dream is to be a surgeon.
A surgeon? And
surgeon.
What,
First general surgeon, then depends on my interest level. Like I want to be a cardio, neuro, or specific to be. First,
you don't have any kind of childhood mein some people in school, like one of my friends in school, he said I want to be a doctor. So he said कि मेरे को medicine में जाना है, सबसे आसान रहेगा. मैं सबकी हेरा फेरी करता रहूँगा medicines में कि ये खाओ वो खाओ ये क्यों खा रहे हो.
मेरा बचपन से सर्जरी में बहुत इंटरेस्ट रहा है. मैंने नोटिस किया है जब मूवीज़ में इवन सब जगह की एक सर्जन की अलग ही फील होती है. लाइक टू कट द बॉडी, टू डू ऑल दो स्टफ्स. लाइक उस टाइम पे लाइफ अपने हाथ में है. सो दैट्स गिव्स अ डिफरेंट थ्रिल. सो
ग्रेट. रघुवीर, आपने जैसे बोला है मूविंग फर्दर, एज यू सेड यू वांट टू बी अ सर्जन. तो मैं आपकी जो पेंटिंग्स हैं दोनों, ये जो स्पेशली जो कृष्णा है, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज लॉर्ड वासुदेव और राइट, एनीबडी यू कैड सो आपकी इसमें वो स्किल सेट दिख रहा है. इसमें जो आपका फिंगर्स विल बी, सर्जन हैज़ टू बी विद हिज फिंगर्स. सो इसमें वो दिख रहा है कि आपको यू विल बी अ गुड सक्सेसफुल सर्जन, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. सो नाउ you have done how many paintings, and what exactly wanted you to convey this from this? क्या convey करना चाह रहे हैं?
See, I've done around 10 or 12 in last year, in 1 year.
This is charcoal?
This is proper charcoal only.
Right.
Charcoal
Okay.
only.
So why did you choose charcoal?
I don't know. I just started it last year when I used the charcoal. I liked the medium and all this stuff, so I wanted to explore in this. And I've seen the artists make realistic drawings with charcoal better compared to graphite. So I did it. I started this one. Recently I've learned the graphite too, and now I'm pursuing with both the mediums, charcoal.
So how much time did it take for this one?
Around 80 to 100 hours.
80 to 100 hours? And at one sitting, how many hours you gave in?
No, it was not like that way. Okay. I get my time from my studies. जितना free time मिलता है उसमें मैं करता हूँ.
Maximum अपने stretch पे कितने घंटे spend?
Maximum stretch पे
one stretch. The longest,
Longest 2-3 hours max. I take them rest.
Because surgeon के लिए, I don't know, when the patient is on this table, operation table, तो कुछ operation 1 घंटे लगेंगे, कुछ operation will take some complication. They may go beyond 8 hours, they may go beyond 12 hours. तो मैं I wanted to know.
I've pushed my limit with this one.
Okay.
Like I usually make for 2 hours or 3 hours max to max in a day. With this drawing I've pushed my limit to 8 to 9 hours in a single day, just because I didn't have the time. I had my schedule of the studies too, so I get 3 to 4 days free. So I used to go for 8 to 10 hours in a single day.
What are you
With
trying to
some-
convey in this?
In
painting?
this, I've named it as a down and inner peace. Like the way she is going inside the water, the peace is being served.
This is underwater?
This is
It's
underwater.
is
See,
it?
bubbles are coming
Okay,
out
so
of
it's
her
bubbles.
mouth.
Yeah,
Bubbles are coming.
I did not observe. So अच्छा मैंने आपने बताया. I said it's some sort of smoke or something.
And to start this was रीज़न ये था कि मुझे डॉटेड आर्टवर्क सीखना था, डॉटेड वाला, और ये अंडर वाटर भी थी, तो एक नया लेवल था, तो एक चैलेंज के फॉर्म में था. ये सारी पेंटिंग जो भी मैंने बनाई वो खुद को चैलेंज के लिए किया कि मुझे खुद और चीज़ सीखने को मिला है.
Excellent.
That was
So,
perspective main.
Yeah, it's lovely. Only thing that you are too soft spoken. और मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि आप कम से कम मेरी जितनी आवाज़, मैं भी बहुत सॉफ्ट रहता हूँ, लेकिन माइक के इश्यूज लेके हम लोग ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप भी थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलेंगे हमारे साथ, फिर चित्तौड़गढ़ का वो दिखेगा कि युद्ध में, एंड यू वांट टू परस्यू पेंटिंग एज अ फुल टाइम, आफ्टर यू बिकम अ डॉक्टर यू विल परस्यू.
See, there's a very fine line with both of these.
Yes.
Very fine line. I have my art and I like to draw these and I have to pursue that one.
Right.
But to serve as a surgeon is much more for me.
Yes, great. And I want to also know, since what inspired you to become a surgeon? Like, is it your father who's already a doctor or your mother who's a doctor?
My father is a jeweler and my mother is a housewife. It was just my dream only.
Okay.
There was no other external
Right.
inspiration. I wanted to be this way. I wanted to. Even my elder brother is a orthopedic surgeon. He's pursuing second year resident, and he's inspired me along the way to how to just pursue your dream. But this thing, doctor, was my thing.
That's good, That's nice. But your brother inspires you, I believe, at some point in life. And
It helped me a lot in pursuing my dream.
yeah. And do you want to continue staying in India after you become a full-fledged surgeon?
I want to be in India too, full-fledged surgeon. I don't want to leave this country. Like, there's a thing, there are connections I have here, my parents, my family. I don't want to leave them.
Yeah.
No.
It's
not at all.
because अभी क्या हुआ है कि due to the pandemic, the corona, which we have seen in our lifetime, even like I think it's in 100 years it's happened. So the people now, they say, when we talk, that people were, I was in a conference yesterday about internet. This was India Internet Governance Forum. So they're talking about internet and India. So they, everybody, the vision, the Prime Minister's vision, the Niti Ayog's vision, सबका vision है कि सब कुछ हमारा इंडिया में जो talent हम लोग generate करते हैं, वो classroom में तो जो students होते हैं, चाहे engineers होते हैं, चाहे doctors होते हैं, वहाँ पे उनका होता है कि कब मैं fly करके US land करूँगा. But
See, you don't just give up on your parents and all. It's a good thing, but yeah, we have our connection and our duties with our responsibilities too.
Yes.
So that's not gonna happen to just go away and nah, that's not for me.
That's not for you. So I think हम लोग को रघुवीर से बात करके I think बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. And रघुवीर से मेरे मन में ख्याल आ रहा है, whenever the artists put up a display paintings, so one thing is कि they want to sell. Another thing, Raghuveer, I don't know, do you want to sell your paintings or do you want to keep them with yourself or do you want to gift it to somebody?
See, if it goes for the selling, that's a good thing, because if I do at the level of selling, that I would be independent, financially independent too. So that's been a dream too, to be financially independent. I don't have to. It would be like to own my own expenses. If I have in India, we don't actually see the people with two jobs. In other countries, we see they do for part-time jobs too. That's a normal thing. But in India, we think if you have one thing, then you should focus on one thing too. That's not the fact. अगर बड़ा पेड़ पे है तो छोटी फसल भी लग सकती है. Side business चल सकता है. That's
good. Because मेरे ये मन में इसलिए सवाल आया. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, when all the sports persons, we had Neeraj Chopra, we had the women badminton players, we had the discus throw players, तो ये लोग जब भारत आए और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उनसे बातचीत करी, तो नीरज चोपड़ा ने अपना जैवलिन उनको दिया एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ आर्टिफैक्ट्स। वो पिछले 2 साल पहले भी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उसका ऑक्शन करा था, इस साल इन्होंने उसको ई ऑक्शन करा। तो जब ई ऑक्शन करा तो हम लोग उसको प्रदर्शनी को कवर करने गए लास्ट डे पे, तो सम पीपल वर थिंकिंग कि वाई मोदी हैज़ गिवन इट फॉर ई ऑक्शन। ये तो इंडियन स्टेट का धरोहर है, दिस इज नीरज चोपड़ा। अब नीरज चोपड़ा डिडंट कीप इट फॉर हिमसेल्फ, नीरज चोपड़ा भी उसको ऑक्शन कर सकता था, वो उसको ही वुड हैव फेच्ड कपल ऑफ करोड्स। अभी शायद वो 1 या 1.5 करोड़ में गया मोदी जी वाला। तो इसलिए आई वांटेड टू नो कि व्हाट इज द यूथ फील एंड यू आर द ब्राइट फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया, सो दैट वाज इट। एंड एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से इन द लास्ट?
All I want to say is everything is a blessing. We should not be like that way. Everything is a blessing. We should be grateful for it, and we should always pursue our destiny and our desires, what our heart says, not to be overcome by the social justice, like the negativity is being promoted these days. That's not the fact. We should stay our way, like being ourselves. That's what matters.
Good. And I just want to know lastly that all your education you have had in Rajasthan?
Yeah, I have. I have pursued for my MBBS preparation, like the NEET exam, which is being conducted every year. For that, I have studied for 2 years in Kota, and then I cleared the exam with around 4,700 rank from 15 lakh students.
Very good, lovely. That's congratulations. And जाते जाते आप राजस्थानी में, I am supposed to be a Marwadi, but I don't understand Rajasthani, except जो TV serials में हमने सुना है घनी खमा. So you want to say something to your family?
See, I am from Mewar, but we don't talk that much in that.
So
We use Hindi.
जो भी आप एड्रेस कैसे अपने सुबह माँ बाबूजी को आप कैसे एड्रेस करते हैं जब उनके चरण स्पर्श करते हैं? How do you address them in the morning?
Jai Shri Krishna with
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna Ma. That's I used to.
So Jai Shri Krishna to everybody, and to Smita Biswas ji, we are also giving her a call that she comes. Right? Thank you.